Hello students, hope all of you are fine. We will discuss chapter number 7, cell. We will continue with the same topic, that is cell organelles. Now the first organelle we will discuss first the boundaries of the cell, that is plasma membrane. If we talk about animal cell, plasma membrane is the outermost covering, but in plant cell this cell membrane or plasma membrane is intact by cell wall. So because in animal cell wall is absent, so plasma membrane is the outermost covering, and this plasma membrane, this is a living membrane and it control entry and exit of substances in and out of the cell. This plasma membrane is selectively permeable, that means it allows entry of only few substances. All substances cannot pass through plasma membrane. Only selective items can pass through plasma membrane. So next is cell wall. Cell wall is absent in animal cell. It is only present in plant cell. It is non-living. जो प्लांट सेल में सबसे आउटर मोस्ट कवरिंग होती है दैट इज सेल वॉल. आपने देखा होगा प्लांट सेल क्या होते हैं, थोड़ा सा हार्ड होता है बिकॉज इट इज स्टैटिक, एक ही जगह प्रेजेंट होते हैं प्लांट, दे डू नॉट मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. तो उन्हें कुछ सपोर्ट चाहिए विंड से बचने के लिए या रेन से बचने के लिए या क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन से या एनिमल से, ताकि वो खुद को सेव कर सकें फ्रॉम एनी डैमेज. सो this is protective in nature. The cell wall is protective in nature. It protects the cell and provide shape to the cell. Now the next is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly like substance that is present inside the cell. जो भी fluid present है cell के अंदर that is cytoplasm. So it contains living cell organelles and some non-living substance is also present inside this cytoplasm, that is cell inclusions. कुछ dead भी हो जाता है organelles या कुछ भी, that is cell inclusion. Anything that is dead inside the cell, that is cell inclusion, that is a waste for the cell. Now next cell organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum can be of two types, smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now this endoplasmic reticulum, it helps in transport of substances inside the cell, and this smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it helps in synthesis of lipids, and rough endoplasmic reticulum, on the surface of rough endoplasmic reticulum ribosomes are present and it helps in synthesis of proteins. Now next cell organelle is ribosomes. So ribosomes, they can either occur freely inside the cell or they can be found present on the endoplasmic reticulum, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum, उसके ऊपर भी present होते हैं ये, and they help in same function is same, protein synthesis. Now next is Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies are discovered by Camillo Golgi in 1898. These are hollow plate-like structure or cup-like structure. These are found in animal cell, and in plant cell these are known as dictosomes. They help in synthesis, storage and secretion of certain substances. So they help in transport of lipids inside the cell and formation of lysosomes and cell wall also. Now next cell organelle is lysosomes. Lysosomes are generally absent in plant cells. These help in these lysosomes, these are also known as suicidal bags, because जब सेल क्या हो जाता है, सेल डैमेज हो जाता है और एंड इट बिकम स्टार्ट एजिंग, देन इट ब्रस्ट. सेल का कुछ एवरी सेल हैज ए डेफिनेट लाइफ स्पैन, उसके बाद क्या हो जाता है, वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता है. सो हु इज गोइंग टू डिस्ट्रॉय दैट, लाइसोसोम्स. सो दैट्स व्हाई दीज आर नोन एज सुसाइडल बैग्स. and they help in intracellular digestion. Inside the cell, who is going to do digestion? lysosomes. They help in intracellular digestion. So they help in cleaning of the cell. Next is mitochondria. Mitochondria, they help in ATP synthesis. They provide energy to the cell. During the process of respiration, हमने पढ़ा था respiration takes place in all the cells. अब सेल के अंदर कहाँ respiration हो रही है? It takes place in mitochondria. So this mitochondria help in conversion of food into energy. And energy की क्या करेंसी होती है? ATP, adenosine triphosphate. All of you know it is adenosine triphosphate. So they provide energy to the cell. So mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. And crista, you can see the diagram of mitochondria in your book. One site is given, that is crista. These crista are the main sites for ATP production. कहाँ पे होते हैं ATP production? माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया के अंदर, in crista. Now the next organelle is vacuole. In animal cell, few vacuoles are present or they can be absent. But in plant cell, one large vacuole is present generally. And cell sap is present inside this large vacuole. क्या present होता है vacuoles के अंदर? Some fluid is present. This fluid contains minerals. So cell sap, प्लांट क्या करते हैं? अपना जो मिनरल्स हैं वो कहाँ स्टोर करते हैं? वैक्यूल्स में, और वाटर भी स्टोर करते हैं. एंड व्हेन दे नीड इट दे गेट इट फ्रॉम वैक्यूल्स. सो दीज आर फ्यू सेल ऑर्गेनेलेस. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस प्लास्टिड्स एंड न्यूक्लियस इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू.